In front of Tesla formally affirming its generation number for the principal quarter 2018 this week, Elon Musk declared that the Model 3 creation rate is presently more than 2,000 units for each week in an email sent to workers. The CEO included that Tesla is presently on a firm establishment for that yield, which implies that they have a creation rate of 4,000 vehicles for each week and climbing quickly between Model 3, Model S and Model X. He noticed that it's as of now double the generation rate of a year ago, and he now anticipates that the automaker will leave the year by delivering autos no less than 4 times speedier than a year ago. With respect to the Model 3's present yield, it seems to even now be beneath Tesla's objective of 2,500 units for every week before the finish of the primary quarter, yet it was a huge change throughout the most recent 12 weeks. That is basically my desires as talked about a week ago on the podcast scene and past posts. It's underneath Tesla's objective, as I brought up. 2,000 units for each week is as of now equivalent to Model S and Model X creation consolidated, which took a very long time to accomplish. However, once more, my greatest stress is Tesla pushing the objective for 5,000 units for every week before the finish of Q2. Musk now appears to expect an aggregate creation rate of more than 8,000 units for each week before the year's over, which should mean around 6,000 Model 3 vehicles for every week in the wake of marking down the Model S and Model X generation from the aggregate yield. We ought to get a reasonable thought of the objectives not long from now with the official numbers, or in the Q1 income 1 month from now. In any case, I think this is extraordinary news for the Model 3 program, since it demonstrates Tesla expanding its generation exponentially, something that we expected was going on with the expansion rate of van enlistments. Tesla was supposedly just at around 1,400 units for each week under 2 weeks prior. On the off chance that they figured out how to build that by more than half in only a couple of days, it's beginning to take a gander at they are working through a few bottlenecks.